Welcome to this quick tutorial. If you are dealing with a bank reconciliation discrepancy in QuickBooks Online and don't know how to fix it, you are in the right place. Let's dive in and resolve this step by step. Here's what likely happened. Everything was balanced and then out of nowhere you see a discrepancy. Often this is caused by a deleted or modified transaction which can mess with your reconciliation. Now, let me quickly show you the steps. Right, the first thing we'll do is check if your beginning balance matches what is on your bank or credit card statement. Right? Now, to do this, go to the Reconcile tab in QuickBooks and select the account you are reconciling. If the beginning balance doesn't match your bank statement, you'll need to fix it before continuing with the reconciliation. Now, fixing a zero beginning balance. If your beginning balance is showing as zero, don't worry. This happens often when you start tracking an account in QuickBooks. To fix this, close the reconcile window and go to the charts of account. Now double click on the account you are working with and enter the date you want to start tracking. This will usually be the beginning of your fiscal year. Now add the beginning balance as a deposit for bank accounts or as a charge for credit card accounts. In the account field, type opening balance equity and leave a note in the memo that says opening balance. Alright, once done, hit record and then go back to the reconcile window and you should see the beginning balance match what is on your statement. Now fixing a wrong beginning balance. If it's not your first reconciliation but the beginning balance is wrong, it's usually because someone made a change to a previously reconciled transaction. To fix this, click on Locate Discrepancies from the reconcile window, then choose Discrepancy Report. You'll see a list of changes made to the reconciled transaction. If you see a change to the amount, double click on the transaction and enter the correct amount. Save it and your beginning balance should match. Now let's talk about fixing deleted transactions. Now sometimes a deleted transaction can cause discrepancies. If you see a deleted next to any transaction in the discrepancy report, you will need to re-enter it. Now let me show you how to do this. Go back to the main menu for the type of transaction you need to enter, such as an expense or deposit. Re-enter the transaction as it was before it was deleted. After saving the new entry, go back to the reconcile window and it should reflect the correct beginning balance. Now let me talk about undoing the last reconciliation. If you made a lot of changes and it's getting confusing, you can always undo the last reconciliation and start fresh. To do this, simply click on reconcile, then select undo reconciliation. This will reset your starting point and allow you to fix any errors. And once all the discrepancies are fixed, go back to the reconcile window, enter the correct beginning balance and the statement date, then click continue. Select the transaction you have corrected, making sure the total matches your statement. When everything looks good, click reconcile now. And that's it. You have successfully fixed any reconciliation discrepancies in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.